Movie Camera CompXM Strategy Guide, Round by Round Walkthrough CompXM Exam 2025 to 2026 version. Hello and welcome. This is your step-by-step CompXM Simulation Strategy Guide, designed to help you score top results, up to 999/1000, in a short amount of time. Whether you're preparing to take the CompXM exam or you're already inside the simulation, this video will give you a complete overview of how to win across all 4 decision rounds and 5 quiz modules. Let's begin. Magnifying glass tilted left. What is CompXM? CompXM is the final exam that follows the CompXM capstone simulation. Unlike capstone, CompXM is individual, not team-based, and includes 4 decision-making rounds and 5 quiz sections. You must manage your virtual company's performance while answering quiz questions based on company reports. You can complete it in 1 to 2 hours, depending on how familiar you are with CompXM. Some students may need longer, and that's totally fine. What matters is strategy, not speed. Chart increasing market overview. Know the 4 segments. CompXM consists of 4 market segments: traditional, trad, core, nano, elite. Their market shares are approximately: traditional, 25 to 30%; core, 35%; nano, 20%; elite, 15 to 20%. Most students focus too much on traditional and core, but nano and elite offer significantly higher contribution margins and profit potential. So, if you want to maximize your results, be sure to pay attention to these high-margin segments. Brain Step 1. Understand industry conditions and strategy. The first thing you must do before making any decisions is read the Industry Conditions Report, ICR. This report tells you customer preferences by segment, ideal product specs, performance and amp size, price ranges and buying criteria, growth rates per segment. Use Table 2, segment criteria, and Table 3, drift rates, to update your products for each round. You will need to increase performance and reduce size each round to meet customer expectations. You can use a pre-built Excel template, linked in the video description, to help calculate the ideal coordinates each round. Counterclockwise arrows button. Step 2. R and amp winking and laughing. Update your products. We recommend creating 2 new products in Nano and Elite in round 1. These segments grow fast and generate higher margins. Your existing products can continue serving traditional and core segments. Each round, update your product's performance and size using Table 3 data. The strategy is simple: increase performance by 0.7, decrease size by 0.7. Repeat this each round to follow the ideal path and maintain high customer satisfaction. Money bag. Step 3. Marketing. Set price, promotion and amp sales budget. Let's now move to the marketing module. Your focus here is: set competitive prices, allocate promotion and sales budgets accurately, forecast demand. Here are recommended prices for round 1: traditional, $22; core, $30; nano, $38; elite, $42. Promotion and sales budgets: traditional and amp, core, $2,000 to $2,500; nano and amp, elite, $1,500 to $2,000. Important: use last round's courier report to find actual sales and inventory. Then calculate your sales forecast. Forecast equals last year's sales, inventory, times 1 plus growth rate, times 1.05. Adding around 5% buffer is good. Avoid going over 10%. CompXM doesn't tolerate overproduction well. Factory. Step 4. Production. Match capacity to demand. Now let's move to production decisions. Because you've added 2 new products, Nano and Elite, you must buy new capacity for them. Schedule production to match your forecast. Account for starting inventory. Also, remember to increase automation levels. Traditional and amp, core, gradually raise to 10.0 by round 3 to 4. Nano and amp, elite, start with 3-4 automation. Increase slowly. Higher automation reduces labor cost long term but makes R and amp winking and laughing updates slower. Balance accordingly. Busts and silhouette. Step 5. HR. Build a strong workforce each round. Go to the HR module and set recruiting spend $5,000, training hours 80. This ensures you attract top quality workers and improve productivity. Even though it's expensive in early rounds, the benefits in later rounds are dramatic. Credit card. Step 6. finance, raise capital strategically. You'll need funding to cover R&AMP winking and laughing costs, marketing and promotion, production capacity. TQM investments use all three sources of capital. 1. Issue stock, $30,000, $40,000. 2. Take short-term loans, $15,000. Take long-term loans, $15,000. Keep at least $50 million in available cash to avoid emergency loans, which damage your score. White heavy checkmark. Step 7. TQM, Total Quality Management. Don't skip TQM. In Round 1, invest $1,000 per initiative, across all 4 initiatives. This totals $4,000 per round. TQM improves quality, reduces costs, and increases productivity. It compounds round by round. Start early to get the full benefits. Bar chart. Step 8. Monitor results and adjust after submitting Round 1 decisions. Review the pro forma reports. Check net profit. Check sales volume. Review contribution margin. Aim for 35% plus in Round 1, 50% plus by Round 4. Watch your stock price and ROE. You'll likely see big improvements by Round 2 and even more in Round 3 to 4 if you follow this strategy. Pushpin sample. Round 1 strategy summary module. Key action: R&AMP winking and laughing. Update all products based on Table 3. Marketing: set price plus promotion. Forecast demand. Production: match capacity. Add new products. HR: $5,000. Recruiting: 80 hours. Training. Finance: raise capital using stock plus loans. TQM: $1,000 per initiative. Repeat button. Long-term strategy. Rounds 2 to 4. For rounds 2, 3, and 4, continue updating performance and AMP size. Gradually raise automation levels. Invest more in HR and TQM. Keep margins high. Limit unnecessary inventory. Adjust capacity based on actual sales. Remember, the quiz portion of CompXM also matters. Read reports carefully and use logical reasoning based on company performance. SOS button. Need help? If you want help reviewing your decisions or understanding your simulation results, envelope with arrow. Email behelp2002@gmail.com. Adult laptop computer. You can also schedule a Zoom coaching session for one-on-one guidance. Graduation cap. Final words. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide gives you clarity and confidence as you work through your CompXM exam. Stick to the strategy, understand your data, and focus on efficiency and customer satisfaction. If you apply what we covered in this video, you'll be on track to score top marks, even 999 out of 1,000. Be sure to check out our other videos covering rounds 2 to 4, quiz tips, and Excel templates. Good luck and success in your CapSim journey.